the back reception also. First of all, before going to any of the other topics, I would like to congratulate the children, their teachers, and also their parents and mothers. They sang Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara so beautifully. They rendered it so emotionally. I was just very happy to listen to it, and they understand the lyric also. So I congratulate the children.
On behalf of the district administrative, I extend heartfelt thanks to both our guests